Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the top 3 best cases for iPhone 13 in 2022 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. The majority of these iPhone 13 case reviews are based on my previous positive experiences with the same brands on the iPhone 12 series, and previous models. As new iPhone 13 cases become available, I'll add them to this list of the best iPhone 13 cases. I attempted to include a wide range of phone case styles, ranging from slimmer to more protective iPhone 13 case models. I have prepared this video guide for the best cases for iPhone 13 in 2022, so let's get started. 3. Snakehive Metro Leather Case. Snakehive's Metro Leather Case is everything you'd want in an iPhone 13 case: a stylish design, a comfortable grip, and an integrated kickstand. It is also MagSafe compatible, which means it can be used with any MagSafe accessory. It appears to be quite protective, but I wish the corners were raised more to provide better screen protection in the event of a fall. Regardless, it's a nice case that comes in 4 different colors. British design meets Turkish leather artisanship. Because nothing but the best will do. Ideal for on-the-go TV and hands-free FaceTime. Only for the iPhone 13, 6.1-inch screen, and for clever charging. Soft touch silicone phone holder with cutouts for all buttons and ports. 2. CYRILL Color Brick. CYRILL is Spigen's sister brand, and its cases are arguably slightly more stylish, despite costing a few dollars more. We're recommending the leather brick case, shown here in cream. It's faux vegan leather, but the $17 silicone case, shown here in teal, and clear $17 CYRILL cases are also good options. The silicone case is essentially an imitation of Apple's silicone case, minus the MagSafe feature. The camera ring features an eye-catching complementary color and is made of a sturdy PC material to protect your camera lens from accidental drops. Form-fitted design for a comfortable daily grip and pocket friendliness, as well as a strap hole for charms and other accessories. 1. Spigen Ultra Hybrid Mag. Spigen's Ultra Hybrid Mag is a good value at around $20 if you're looking for an inexpensive clear MagSafe case for your new iPhone 13 series phone. Spigen also sells a non-mag version of this case for about $5 less, as well as a variety of other iPhone 13 cases. I also tried the Spigen Mag Armor case, but accessories stick to the Ultra Hybrid Mag better. The case has no drop rating, but Spigen's transparent cases appear to provide adequate protection. If you want a tough case with more protection, the Spigen Tough Armor case, $17, with a kickstand is an option, but I prefer Spigen's Ultra Hybrid cases. So guys, this was the video about the best cases for iPhone 13 in 2022. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.